Galla Placidia, an amazing woman who commissioned many churches, and especially this building that we're looking at. Looking at this picture, you'll see Christ. He is the Good Shepherd, a very important symbol, a kind of image of Christ there in the early church. Many early churches had symbols of him being the shepherd with the sheep, and this building portrays that in a very strong way. But we see a little bit of difference here. He's not just the Good Shepherd, he's also the sacrificial shepherd, and also the golden tunic that he wears, with a royal draping, shows that he is moving away from being a simple, everyday person to becoming more of an emperor type king. And so we'll see that in this building. And the theme also in some of the graves as you look closely at them with the sheep and the cross. If you look up, you will see images of eternity. Thoughts will come about the future and forever, eternal life. You'll see especially the forever bloom of the daisies and the red Maltese rosettes. And these are very common symbols that are portrayed in many other Byzantine churches. So look around, the awe and the wonder. The lower walls are plain, but the upper walls are more full, especially with here where you see the deer that pants after the water brook. And they're looking there and they're panting for the water, and they're desiring that eternal life, connection with God. As we look up, we'll see 8 individuals with their right hand rising up to Christ, most likely the disciples. And you'll see 4 images up above, 4 living creatures, which is one of a lion, one of an ox, one of the face of a man, and an eagle, and with wings. And these are images of the eternity in Revelation 4, who is worthy to take the scroll. Jesus is, and they proclaim forever and ever, holy, holy, holy is the Lord Almighty, who was and is to come. He is the one to be worshipped. This building makes you look up and think about eternity. Many of the patterns, unending patterns that just continue on and on, can be seen or evident as you look at repeated symbols, repeated pathways of the beautiful things that they portray there. On the end, other believers who've given their life, martyrs, maybe Saint Vincent or Lawrence, depicted on the far end, being burned at the stake or being burned like over the fire. Also, the ribbons on the corners going up. See that these are also important in portraying eternity. Up on the top, focusing going up, you see the Chi-Rho symbol, which Constantine the Great made very common, and portrays this also hinged by the Alpha and Omega on both sides of many of the graves, even in this building. Again, the patterns just make us think, wonder about eternity. On the one side, there is a water of life that gives the spring of life to eternity. Acanthus plants, also a very common theme that you see in the bottom of each corner, spiraling up leading to Christ. You see there in the corner, the bottom of the red ribbons, acanthus, which is also found